This is a walk around video of a high capacity dual axle Nevco EZY Approach trailer. It's a multi-purpose cargo deck with full width lead-in ramp running into a full steel deck covered in our tie-down system, which suits a flat hook restraint. As well as that, around the perimeter of the deck are rated swivel tie-down points, each one good for 1,000 kilos of load restraint. At the front of the cargo deck, we've got the option for an underbody spare mount, as well as a spare above the storage. There's a high capacity winch on a sliding rail. This particular unit has a solar charging arrangement with a solar charger and regulator sitting there, currently not plugged in, suitable for a large blanket or panels. All of our units have a commercial grade 4-button radio remote control, removable drawbar, different options for landing legs, jockey wheels, typically a cruise master coupling in one of two ratings. This trailer is a 4.4 tonne rating and weighs around 1,500 kilos, so close to 3 tonnes of cargo capacity. Plenty of storage up front, fixed controls as well as the radio remote. And there it is. Nevco EZY Approach ground loading magnificence.